Hello, trading is closed on May the 9th, 2018. Yesterday I said I felt this pattern was negative and unless we invalidated it, lower prices, perhaps much lower prices, should print. I said what the bulls had to do at the very least was to gap over this high and ideally this one. I thought it was a tall order. Well, tall order or not, we did it. Gapped up, took out the high. So according to the rules, before the open, the call's killed. I had strong resistance here. I was hoping it would hold. It didn't. I was hoping this would hold, and that didn't. So we have a good rally. Let's see how far we can go. During the day, while we're going up, 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 MEJT says it's a false move and prices are going to retrace and go under this line, which they did. Nothing carries through until tomorrow. We gapped up, hit this higher high, rallied all day. We couldn't close over the middle of the day high. Unless we gap over this high, or at least take it out promptly, lower prices should print tomorrow. Doesn't mean we're going to close lower, but it means lower prices should print. I think it's unlikely we gap over the high for reasons I'll discuss. Well, the old idea is that we're looking for the end of wave red 2. Here's our question mark. Obviously, that wasn't it. Let's look for the next possibility. Well, if you take the height of blue A, you take a 61.8% number, and if C is there, it's around 2712. And what's interesting is if you look at wave blue C, and you have an ABC in purple, if you take the height of A, set it equal to C, the number's the same. So we have Fibonacci resistance around 2712, and that's the next target we have for this move, which I still think is a consolidation after an impulse and has to retrace at some time. Now, I think I moved this thing here. I don't know where I moved it from. Figure it out later. Here it is. We have a line here. According to DeMarc's rules, if tomorrow we don't gap over the line, which means over today's high basically, we're pretty close to it. If we don't gap over the line but cross it, the move is not sustainable and is going to retrace at least back to the line. If on the other hand, we do gap over the line, we should move over the line by the same distance, the biggest distance we moved under it. That means if we gap up tomorrow, DeMarc is saying we have a huge rally in front of us. Now it gets invalidated if the gap up gets reversed immediately. So if you gap up over this high tomorrow and then Friday immediately reverse that move and go underline, it doesn't really count. But a sustainable gap up here, according to his rules, leads to a rally of a magnitude of like hundreds of points, and that would mean this whole wave count's wrong. So for that reason, I don't think it's going to happen. I've been wrong before, but I don't think it's going to happen. So for tomorrow, unless we gap up, we should see lower prices, but the pattern has a strong tendency to rally through the day. If we trade down first, or at least do not gap over this first, we have Fibonacci resistance at 2712. If we do gap over this and it holds, the market's predicting a huge rally, and that means that my wave count's all wrong. I don't think that's going to happen, but we'll have to wait and see. And that's today's call.